Alright, y'all, what's good? It's your boy Bishop the DJ. Alright. Finally got what I consider a grail for myself. There's a long history behind this particular shoe. You already seen the thumbnail, so you know what it is. So I'm just gonna get right to it. I did wear these already. I had a video, but I ended up deleting that video and redoing it. I just didn't like the way it came out. But anyway, here we go. The 86 OG Airmax 1. For me, there's a big story behind this. Nothing too exciting. It's just, for me, I've wanted this shoe literally since 1986. Well, actually, I believe it was 87 when they dropped. At least in Baltimore, I remember seeing these in 87. And the reason why I say I remember this specifically, because we already know, you know what I'm saying, how, I'm gonna just say it, dudes in the street, they shape the culture. Street dudes, AKA drug dealers and shit like that. The way they dress, the clothes and the style. I remember when these shoes dropped. I wanted these shoes so freaking bad, man. And I got in trouble. And moms wasn't having it. So I wasn't able to get the shoe. Because one thing about my mother growing up, if I did what I was supposed to do in school and didn't give her no issues, if I wanted to pay a kick, she would get them for me. You know what I'm saying? She'd do the best that she can. Back then, you know how it was. You know, money was tight. Dad was the only one working, but I always went to mom for stuff. Anyhow, I wanted these. I got in trouble around the time when these shoes came out. I wasn't really out in the streets like that in 86, 87. So, you know what I mean? Going out on the blocks and getting money to get it for myself, it just wasn't happening. So I seen everybody rocking these. By the time I was on punishment and all that shit. So by the time it was over and done with, and I was able to get the shoe, believe it or not, nobody had my size. There's a couple places. In Baltimore, we had a place called Rudo Sports, and there was a spot over in West Baltimore, the infamous Cinderella shoes, right at Park Heights. Everybody know what I'm talking about. Park Heights and Belvedere, actually. Look us up. They all over the net, man. They talk about that's like a legendary sneaker spot back in the day. But yeah, went there, and then we went to Rudo Sports down in Montgomery Mall, and nobody had my size. And back then, I think I wore like a 7, 7.5. But I wasn't able to get them. Wasn't thinking about them. Years and years and years go by. I believe this is the first, last year is when these came out. And they completely blew past me because, you know, I got married last year. I moved to Columbia, Maryland. And majority of my sneaker collection, after a while, like, I'm gonna be real, the sneaker game is just boring now. Plus, you know, I guess maturity kicked in. I'm older now and I work a lot. I'm not DJing at the club anymore, so styling up just wasn't my thing. So I literally went through my collection and sold most of the stuff that I just didn't want. Certain grails I did keep though, don't get me wrong. And in fact, I don't even think the last time I did a sneaker unboxing and review was for those Jordan 4s that came out, the ones they did for the ladies that came out, they all white, yellow, and black. I ended up getting a pair in my size. And I think I got them off of Go because nobody had men's sizes, because I wear about a 10, 10.5, and I think the biggest was 12, which is equivalent to like a 10.5 for men. So I ended up getting those. And before that, I ended up getting the Brent Ford, the leather joints that came out right before that. I got those at Dick's Sporting Goods. But anyway, I've been looking for these. They're coming out with all the new colors and stuff, and nobody had this. So again, I went back to Go. I was gonna get them on eBay, but I ain't wanna wait. I could have saved myself a couple $100, to be honest with you, because I paid almost $3 for these. If I'd have got them on eBay, I'd have paid $180 with tax, maybe close to $200 with shipping and all that. So, you know, rounded off, it would have been close to $200. But I mean, I could have done that, but I wanted them right away. Go, you already know they do the instant shipping thing. I did it on a Wednesday. I got them Friday or Saturday. I got them Saturday. No, I lied. I got them Friday evening. I wasn't supposed to get them until Monday. Today is Sunday. And I wasn't supposed to get them until tomorrow, but they came Friday. So it's pretty quick. But yeah, and that's why I deal with GOAT, because I don't like waiting. I don't trust those drivers. I know down here in Maryland, them motherfuckers will steal your shit. And I've had experiences with that before when motherfuckers say they drop your package off and they didn't. Long story, but I had to chase one dude down in the FedEx truck that swore up and down. He dropped off. It was a pair, I think it was the UNC 3s. And I literally was sitting out on my front steps waiting for him. I seen the dude drive up the street in the corner, and not even 5 minutes later, I get a notification. They were saying that the driver stopped at my house and no one was home. This, that, and that. Man, I caught up with his ass and I got my shit. So I don't play with them. So I always try to do the instant ship and get it real fast, real quick. So, but yeah, I can be long-winded with my stories. I apologize. But yeah, I wanted these for years. Jesus Christ, years. And I finally got them. And then I got the golf versions of these. And y'all know the golf joints are waterproof. I didn't know the difference. I had to Google it up and see what the difference was. But yeah, I love these. I have 4 pair of Airmaxes. But this, the Big Bubble original joints, these are ones I've been wanting forever and a day, and I finally got them. So, and like I said, I wore them, so I don't know if the bottoms, how they look. They still good. I just wore them around the corner to the store. But I love these shoes. Something I've been wanting forever, and here it is. I'm a grown-ass man now, and I finally got them. But yeah. There you go. So it wasn't nothing real complicated. I don't get all into, when I do my sneaker reviews and unboxing, I don't get all into the stitching and breaking it down. I mean, y'all got common sense. Y'all know what's up with these shoes. Y'all not newbies. Y'all not new to this. You know what I'm saying? Especially people in my age range. I'm 51. I'll be 52 next month. So yeah. This is stuff you can rock, you know what I mean, to like when, how they had those like 80s or 90s parties. Throw some little old school hip hop shit on, rock these, I'm good to go. So here we are. 86 OG Airmax 1s. Here we go. I got them. And I'm happy now. So, as I said, it's your boy Bishop the DJ. I may cop me something different later on. I don't know. I got wifey up here, but I got her the green and white joints. She already had these, actually. She got them before me, but it is what it is. Y'all stay good. Be safe out there. And the new mix is coming up. And we got that show coming up in Brooklyn. Check out the freestyle. Sunbrave did post a freestyle up last week. It's like a freestyle mixtape that we did. So check it out. Peace.